So here I have taken so one different switches. If you want, you can create. But so basically, router analytic method. So here our task is what we are done. Establish a connection between devices of different VLAN using Inter Vlan routing. So this concept, because Inter Vlan routing means I want to communicate VLAN 10 to 20, 10 to 30, 10 to 40. Both are on different VLANs. If I want to communicate different VLANs, we need a L3 device. So L3 device means instead of router also you can take a L3 switch. It will be possible. So here I have taken second task is your different VLANs wants to communicate through router. So that method we call it is as a router on a stick method. Router on a stick. This is a stick you can assume. It's a stick. It's a method. Router on a stick method. ఒక router ని కట్టె మీద పెట్టినాం అంతే. Okay, fine. The router on a stick method will discuss how we can able to make it possible to communicate different VLANs. So here I'll take a PCs. So here I'm taking the automatically connectivity. Automatically choose connection type. So here first connection is done. So second connection, third PC's connectivity done. So it's VLAN 10. As our scenario, it's VLAN 10. And this one is VLAN 20. And this one is VLAN 30. So done. And here we'll create a virtual interfaces. How? I'll show you. So everyone know how to assign the IP addresses to switches or sorry to PCs 192, 168, 10 dot, it's 10. And here, so router will work at different networks. So we make sure you have to take here different networks. So here I have taken VLAN 10 for VLAN 10.1, VLAN 20, 20.1, VLAN 30, 30.1. This is the IP address I have. IP series is likewise. So same thing I have taken here. So same. So this is like 168, 10
IP
dot.
address
This is
to
IP
the,
address.
we are assigning the IP address to that L3, right? Here.
L3 devices. Here we have to create virtual interfaces. So VLAN 10 part, I'll give the IP address 192.168, 10.1. It's a gateway. Actually, this is the gateway. As we discussed, what is gateway? Entry or exit point of different networks. It's a gateway. Exit or entry point /24. So all are the different networks. These all are different networks actually. 20. So this is the IP address. VLAN 30. So we'll assign later on PCs IP addresses. First, we'll assign how to configure the router analytic method. We'll discuss first at router configuration. So earlier, I forget to explain here the task one. So this is the configuration of how to configure the IP addresses, how to assign the IP addresses to router. So here I'll show you. So first of all, I have taken the one router. So and two PCs. Why I'm taking means, so you should have to know the how to assigning the IP addresses to routers. So how to assigning the simple IP addresses, the router will work different networks in between networks, but switch will work within a network. So router will work. Tell me, repeat it. Router will work
in any network.
different networks. Any different network.
Yeah, any
But
different
Switches will
network.
work.
Within the network.
switch will work within the networks, within the same network, or within
Yes,
VLAN,
yes,
within the LAN.
yes. In this previous lab, I have taken the same IP at the same range only. But if you are taking the same range, router will not assign the IP. It won't take also IP address. If you want to try it, so you can try it also. It won't communicate. So make sure whenever you are configuring the interfaces, that time it should have to different. So how? So it's a user interface, user mode, then privilege mode, then configuration mode. Configuration mode after that interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0, right? 0 by 0 fast Ethernet 0 by 0, and give the IP address. IP address is 192.168. It's a 10 dot, and it's a PC IP address actually, and the 10.10 is PC IP address, and 10.1 is gateway. Will take anything you can take, but easy to understand. Here 10.1 is a gateway actually. Gateway is nothing but exit or entry point of different network, and use no shutdown command and exit from here, and interface fast Ethernet 0 by 2, 0 by 1. So this is the interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1. So, and IP address is 192.168.10.1. I'm giving the same IP address. What if we have to check here? 255.255.0. So you can check what he given the error overlaps. The series is there. So here, up to here, the host network bits are there, and this is the host bit. If you are giving the different host also, instead of one also, 2, 3, anything up to 255, it won't take. So if you try to give same thing here, I'll give the 10.20. So overlapping, it won't take the IP address in same network. So that is what. So if you want to check, show IP interface brief overlapped. So down. If you are using no shutdown command, so check here. No shutdown. So overlap IP address is there, and fast Ethernet 0 by 1 incorrect IP address assigned. Here it is showing the error. It won't work. So even though I have used here no shutdown command, not working. Overlapping. We have proved it. So router, make sure in real time also, in lab also, wherever, router is a L3 device. L3 means it will be work between networks, between two different networks. If you are assigning the same network, it won't take, it will overlap. So we'll remove that. If you want to remove, just use instead of IP address before that, use no. I have removed. Show IP interface brief. Earlier, the IP address is assigned. I have removed, and here you can check this IP address, but I have removed. Even though I have used the no shutdown command also, it haven't worked. So I am assigning the IP address. Config basic configuration of router. IP address of interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, and IP address of this 192.168.20.1. Now it will be taken 255.255.255.0, and use no shutdown. Now it will work. Now it's came to green color. You can verify it here. You can verify it and give the IP addresses to PCs and try to ping it. So now no need to give the any IP addresses and no need to give any routing protocol. By default, routing is enabled. Show IP route and directly connected. So based on this, you can able to ping. Just give the IP address quickly. So 192.168.10.10. If you're not giving the default gateway, also it won't ping communicate. For this PC, I'll give, and different PC I will not give. You can try to. How will give the default gateway like this? In this PC, I have given the default gateway entire thing. and now close it and open this PC and move to desktop and give the IP address on this 192.168 dot and 20.10. I haven't given the default gateway. We'll try to ping it. And before that, we'll check the IP address. IP config, yes, it got. And now try to ping from here. This PC have the default gateway. If you want to check IP config, so check the default gateway is there. Here no default gateway. Ping 192.168. It's a basic labs, okay. Everyone how to know. So here the default gateway is not there for this PC. That is the reason we cannot able to ping. So make sure default gateway is necessary. So we have a 7 minutes. So for this, again, okay, rejoin the meeting. We'll finish this lab also. Rejoin the meeting once this lab is finished. Once. So I'll give the default gateway 192.168.20.1. Now try to close it and open this PC. Now try to ping it. Yes, earlier I have forget to give the default gateway. Not forget. I show how to show you. We prove it. What is default gateway also necessary in real time, and DNS server also necessary. Everything is necessary. Whatever you are showing here, whatever you IP config slash all. This is the basic configurations, and these are the basic things you should have to know. DNS server, DHCP, entire things. If you know this yourself also, if you are answering it, definitely they will select you. This is the basic troubleshooting. These are the daily tasks on that. You can mention yourself also in real time. These are the tasks I am doing daily task in my current day-to-day activities. Okay, guys, I'll everyone rejoin them same link. Everyone rejoin the same link. We'll start this lab because we have 4 minutes only. 4 minutes.